Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a blinking text cursor in Figma. This is a simple yet effective way to add animation to your designs, making them feel more interactive and polished. To get started, open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to the file or project where you want to add this blinking cursor effect. This could be a landing page mockup, a UI design, or any project that would benefit from this subtle animation. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the rectangle shape tool. Drag it onto your frame to create a rectangle. This will serve as the base for your cursor. Next, head over to the right side panel where you'll see the fill section. Click the minus icon beside the color under fill to remove the background color. Then, click the plus icon beside stroke to add an outline instead. This gives your cursor a clean outlined appearance. To make it look more like an actual cursor, adjust the corner radius to 50 on the right side panel. This rounds the edges nicely and gives it that authentic cursor shape. Now go back to the bottom toolbar, click the arrow down beside the rectangle shape and select Line from the options. Create a line inside your rectangle. This line will act as the actual cursor indicator within the rounded shape. Once you've placed the line, select both the rectangle and the line together. Press Ctrl-G on your keyboard to group them. Grouping these elements keeps everything organized and makes it easier to work with as a single unit. With your grouped elements selected, look at the right side panel and click the component icon. This turns your design into a reusable component. Right after that, click the variant icon to create variants of this component. You should now see two variants appear. In variant 2, remove the line. This creates the blinking effect because one variant has the cursor visible and the other doesn't. Now on the right side panel, switch to the Prototype tab. Connect the two variants to each other by dragging from one to the other. Make sure the trigger is set to after delay and set the duration to 300 milliseconds. This timing creates that natural blinking rhythm. To see your component in action, click on Assets on the left side panel and drag the component you just created onto your frame. Then, click the play icon on the right side to preview it. You should see your cursor blinking smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully created a blinking text cursor in Figma that adds a nice touch of realism to your designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.